Next, I want to scroll down a little bit, okay, to these two little components about our practitioners. There are a number of fake practitioners that are loaded, but I'm going to go into add a practitioner. And if you want to add a practitioner inside of your office, you simply type, okay, the name. So I'm just going to, again, add something relatively generic. There is a drop down for a number of different options. Okay, you can do other. I'm just going to choose one, and you can always choose to exit, but I'm going to add John Smith as a practitioner. Okay, and so now he will be an option when we go to schedule appointments. Let's say you made a mistake. I did put a delete practitioner, right? There is a number of practitioners here, but if you click on one, this little negative sign that comes up as red will appear, and you simply click on it. It will ask if that is a decision you want to make. So I will remove this practitioner and we'll just leave some of the other ones. But now you can see a list of the generic options in there, and then you can return to your schedule.